When winter hits, being prepared isn't just a good idea, it's essential. Today, we're diving into building the ultimate emergency cold weather vehicle kit. This isn't just about comfort, it's about survival when you're stranded in freezing conditions. In this video, I'll guide you through the key items you need to maximize your chances of staying safe and warm until help arrives. Start with a polypropylene thermal undershirt and pants. Avoid cotton as it retains moisture and loses insulation when wet. Layer up with wool socks, thermal gloves, and a wool hat. Always have a wool blanket or a space blanket for extra warmth. Keep local maps and a compass or a handheld GPS with extra batteries. Do not rely solely on your phone's GPS as it can fail due to battery or signal loss. Store high-calorie, non-perishable food like MREs or emergency rations that can withstand freezing temperatures. Carry a Sawyer mini water filter and a single-wall stainless steel water bottle, which can be used to boil water for safe drinking. A reliable flashlight with extra batteries is a must. Include a fire-starting kit. Think ferro rods, waterproof matches, and tinder. These are vital for warmth and signaling for help. Pack a robust bushcraft knife, a folding saw, and at least 100 feet of paracord. A small shovel and jumper cables are useful for vehicle emergencies and building makeshift shelters. A compact trauma kit, including a tourniquet, pressure dressings, and basic first aid supplies can make a critical difference. Don't forget moleskins for blisters if you need to walk long distances. Always keep a gallon of water in your vehicle, but be prepared to carry it if you need to move. Fitness matters. Being in good shape can mean the difference between life and death. Remember, your emergency cold weather kit should cover clothing, navigation, sustenance, fire, tools, and first aid. Being well prepared can make a crucial difference in freezing temperatures. Stay alert, stay equipped, and stay alive. Now it's your turn. Check your vehicle kit today. Make sure it's equipped with everything we've discussed. Share this video with friends and family to help them stay prepared too. Subscribe to our channel for more life-saving tips, and always stay ready for the unexpected.